Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video I'm actually going to be taking out our Ford Mustang demo car. So it's a 2020 model, 55 edition, 5 litre GT, and just listen to her. Sounds absolutely amazing. I don't know how well that's coming through on the video, but today's video is all about celebrating the car and going out enjoying ourselves. Obviously we've all been locked up for so long. It's now time to get out and about and do stuff. We're filming with Sky TV. We're meeting up with the Cannon Run team as well as Petrolheadnism Club. We're heading over to Chiro's house to start with and then driving over in a convoy over to the Terrace Western runway. Basically we're going to be doing a day full of supercars, performance cars, and just having a great day, all COVID compliant. We've actually got authority from Sky TV to basically be filming today and doing this as business travel. So it's really important that we continue to grow our business, that we get out there and do these sorts of things. Obviously with COVID sort of coming to an end, we're getting back to normal. It's one of those things that we can't wait to get out there and do stuff. However, things need to be done in a COVID compliant manner, and that's exactly what we're doing today. So we're sitting in our own cars, we're going to be doing drag strip runs, we're going to be looking at some awesome cars. There's going to be everything from, I won't say it, but there's going to be some absolutely awesome cars there. I'm sure there'll be a couple of McLarens, Ferraris, there'll be Lambos there, there'll be all sorts. Performance cars, and it'll be good to get together with everyone, see everyone, meet everyone, plus also see how the cars sort of go against each other, see how the Mustang performs on a drag strip. I've never taken this car on a drag strip before or a runway. Obviously we picked up the car just before lockdown. It's not really been out there and done much work for us yet. However, now that it starts, we're going to be heading over now. We're heading over to Chiro's house, then driving over as a convoy over to the Terrace Western runway, and then we'll be going through the rest of the video on that site. So can't wait to get going today. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Best thing you guys can do, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much. Let's go. Picture time, so the camera crew are recording. I'm on the side so you can't see all of the cars. Up top right in front of me we've got the Vantage S, McLaren, Lamborghini Huracan, Performante, GT Feel Wannabe. Then we've got Jay Cannon's Lamborghini Huracan, Audi R8. Then we've got a Porsche GT3. Next to me we've got the Focus RS. Then we've got a BMW M3, Audi R8, Nissan GTR, Lotus Elise. Don't know how well that's coming across. Jeez! That was a Lamborghini Huracan. that's lap 1 over. They're going to be doing loads of stuff later on today. I'm going to try capture as much as I possibly can, but absolutely epic. Cannon Run boys there. So we're all lining back up. So Cannon Run, Porsche GT3, we've got there. Valo Industrial Services, one of the Cannon Run sponsors. Also the boys from Evolve Wrap are also here, so make sure you go check them out on Instagram. Lotus Elise sitting in front. Some awesome cars on the lineup today on this track. So Chiro's setting them all off. Obviously a lovely array of cars. So this Mustang GT performing really nicely. We're burning through fuel though, but it's all fun and games. Good old Mustang fashion, nearly lost it. Very nearly lost it there, but held on to it. Typical Mustang fashion right there. So back round for another lap. Behind the Vantage S now. Lining back up. What a great day this is. So we're hitting behind the McLaren now, lining back up. All the cars are looping round and then we're going to stop filming again. So we've had a little bit of confusing instructions. We're going to see exactly what we're going to be doing now. So either this is going to go horribly wrong or it's going to look absolutely amazing on the camera. So let's see how we go. Yeah, I think it's gone wrong to start with. So there we go, it's going there. So we're doing some individual car shots as well as rolling shots. So we're going relatively slowly on the track currently, and it's looking really cool. And then as soon as we go past, we're going to absolutely floor it. And Aston's gone. Mustang's kicking into gear. Should make for one really cool picture. That can't wait to get hold of them, post them up on our socials. If you haven't done so already, make sure you check us out on Instagram. All the links will be below. Check this out, guys. Not that. Look at that. Wow. This is what we've come to see. Absolutely stunning. Very windy, but guys, just want to highlight this in the video. This is the Koenigsegg Regera by Zach's Garage. Just check this out. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous bit of kit. Boys from Evolve Wrap just there. Also make sure you go check them out on Instagram. Also one of the Cannon Run sponsors. Just check this out, how beautiful is this? Just the attention to detail. It's stunning, the paintwork. It's just an absolutely stunning vehicle.
Mustang left.
So we're calling it a day there, guys. Basically, it's been an amazing days filming with Sky TV. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. You've seen what the Mustang's done on the runway. You've seen a couple of other cars. You've seen the amazing Koenigsegg from Zach's garage. Plus, it's been really nice to actually just catch up with the boys from Cannon Run, plus also the team at Petrolheadnism, just to meet up with everyone. It's absolutely amazing to get together again in a COVID compliant manner, and it's been absolutely a lovely day. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. We've had a great time filming it. Hopefully you enjoy, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.